Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you the process of factory resetting your Onn TV box.
Before we continue, here is a quick reminder. If you are browsing on Smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I would highly recommend using a VPN. This is because a VPN helps protect your privacy, it secures your connection and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN because it is fast, reliable and works smoothly on TV devices. In the description of this video, I've added a special link that you should check it out and create an account. That's it, let's continue.
So let's get straight down to it. All you need to do is head over to settings. You go there by clicking on quick settings and then all settings. So I'll click on the all settings icon and now I could hop over to system. Under system, I'm going to about, and under the about section, just scroll down to see factory reset. So if you click on factory reset, you see that this will reset your device to default settings. You will erase all of the data, it will take out all of the accounts, it will delete all files and even the downloaded apps. So if you're sure you want to factory reset, just click on factory reset and that will happen. You're going to have the box as new as you got it. So be cautious and be sure that this is what you want to do, and then factory reset. Click on this button will erase everything and bring the device back to default settings. You could use this in emergency circumstances. If there's a bug or malware you want to instantly get rid of, this is basically it. I said something cancel, and if you do that, you're going to have your results as expected. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if that worked for you, and